Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a book to Amazon KDP. Alright, let's begin. Start by going to kdp.amazon.com. Click Sign In if you already have an Amazon account, or Join KDP if you're new. Once you're signed in, the very first step is to complete your account setup. Click on your profile or account settings and fill out your tax details, legal name, and bank account information. This is essential because Amazon can only pay you once your account is verified. Many new authors skip this step, but it's best to set it up right away so you don't run into problems later. The process is simple. Amazon guides you step by step with prompts for tax and payment information. With your account ready, move to the publishing dashboard. You'll see a button labeled Create. When you click it, Amazon gives you options to create either an ebook, a paperback, or later even a hardcover. Let's start by creating an ebook, since that's usually the first format authors release. The first detail to enter is your language. If your manuscript is in English, keep it on English. After that, type in your book title and subtitle. Be sure that your title exactly matches what is on your manuscript and your cover. Consistency is important because Amazon will reject mismatched information. If your book belongs to a series, you can add it here. If not, just skip the series option. For edition number, leave it blank unless this is a revised version of a previous book. Next comes your author name. You can use either your real name or a pen name if you write under one. This is the name that will be visible to buyers on Amazon. If you have contributors such as editors, illustrators, or co-authors, you can add them as well. Now let's move to the description. The book description is one of the most important parts of your listing because it helps readers decide whether to buy your book. A good description is not just a summary. It highlights the benefits of reading your book, shows the problems it solves, and ends with a strong call to action. For example, you might start with a question that relates to the reader's situation, then explain how your book provides the answer. You can also use short paragraphs or even bullet points to make the description easy to read. If writing descriptions feels difficult, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate a draft. Simply provide your title, subtitle, and topic, and then refine the output until it fits your style. After writing your description, move on to publishing rights. Since you are the author of your work, you will usually select I own the copyright. If your book is in the public domain, you would select the other option, but in most cases, you'll own the copyright. The next section asks whether your book contains sexually explicit content. Select yes or no, depending on your manuscript. After that, you can set an age range for readers, but this is optional. For the marketplace, I recommend keeping it on all territories, so your book is available everywhere Amazon operates. Now, let's talk about categories. Amazon requires you to choose up to 3 categories for your book. Think carefully about where your book fits best. For example, if your book is about business, you might select business and money, and then a subcategory like entrepreneurship. If your book is about personal development, you would choose categories in the self-help section. Selecting the right categories helps your book reach the right readers and can also increase your chances of ranking higher in those categories. After categories, you will see the keyword section. This is where you enter up to 7 keywords or phrases. Keywords are search terms that readers might use when looking for books. Don't just repeat your title or subtitle here. Amazon already indexes those. Instead, think of other related terms. For example, if your title is How to Become a Digital Nomad, don't type digital nomad again. Instead, use related keywords like remote work guide, make money online, work from anywhere, laptop lifestyle, or passive income strategies. This way, your book will appear in a wider variety of searches. Choosing good keywords is one of the most effective ways to improve visibility. Once your keywords are entered, choose your release option. If you want your book to be available as soon as possible, select I am ready to release my book now. Otherwise, you can schedule a release date. Click Save and Continue. On the next page, upload your manuscript. Amazon accepts EPUB, Word, or other supported file types. Be sure your formatting is consistent before uploading. A poorly formatted file will result in a poor reader experience. After uploading, upload your cover. Amazon offers a cover creator tool, but it's best to design your own cover or hire a designer. A professional-looking cover makes a huge difference in sales. You will also be asked if your manuscript or cover used AI. Answer honestly. Amazon doesn't penalize you. They simply want disclosure. After that, launch the previewer tool to see how your book looks on different Kindle devices. Check spacing, images, and hyperlinks. If something looks wrong, fix your manuscript and re-upload it. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Continue. For ebooks, you don't need to provide an ISBN because Amazon will assign one for free. Next, set your royalty option and pricing. Amazon gives two royalty choices, 35% or 70%. Many authors launch their ebooks at 0.99 under the 35% plan to get initial sales and reviews, then later increase the price and switch to 70%. With the 70% option, you can set prices between $2.99 and $9.99. Think about your strategy. Lower prices attract readers quickly, while higher prices generate more revenue per sale. Once pricing is set, click Publish your Kindle ebook. Amazon will review it, and usually within 72 hours, your ebook will be live. Now let's move on to paperbacks. On the KDP dashboard, select your book and choose Create Paperback. Most details, such as title, subtitle, and author, will carry over automatically. You'll need to reselect categories and confirm keywords. For paperbacks, an ISBN is required, but Amazon provides one free. If you have your own ISBN from a provider, you can use it, but for most authors, the free option is fine. Choose your print options. For most books, select black and white interior with white paper. For trim size, one of the most common is 5 8 inches, but you can select other sizes depending on your preference. Choose no bleed unless your book contains full-page images. For cover finish, decide between matte and glossy. Most readers prefer matte because it looks professional and is easier to handle. Upload your PDF manuscript and your paperback cover file. Answer the AI usage questions again. Then use the print previewer to confirm that everything looks correct. If there are errors, fix and re-upload. Once it passes, click Save and Continue. In the distribution section, select All Territories and enable Expanded Distribution. This allows Amazon to distribute your book outside of Amazon to libraries and bookstores. It doesn't guarantee sales, but it increases your reach. Pricing for paperbacks depends on length, printing cost, and market competition. Research other books in your category to see the average price. A short book might be priced around $7.99 to $9.99, while longer or specialized books might be $11.99 or more. Once your price is set, click Publish. Amazon will review your paperback as well, usually within 72 hours. Finally, publishing is just the first step. To succeed, you must market your book. Marketing strategies include running Amazon ads, promoting on social media, building an email list, and asking early readers to leave reviews. Reviews are critical because they build trust and influence buying decisions. Some authors also collaborate with bloggers or YouTubers in their niche to spread the word. Think of marketing as a continuous process rather than a one-time effort. So that's basically how you can upload a book to Amazon KDP. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.